On TechVerse, we're breaking down 20 router jigs and bits that can instantly upgrade your accuracy, control, and finish quality without guessing or trial and error. Every tool you'll see today is practical, workshop tested, and linked directly in the Amazon description so you can check real prices and reviews anytime. If you use a router and want cleaner cuts, tighter joinery, and smarter setups right now, this is one list you shouldn't skip. Kreg router table insert plate. Picture yourself setting up a massive router table project like crafting custom cabinet doors for your garage overhaul, but your router keeps shifting, throwing off every plunge cut and leaving uneven edges that scream amateur. Enter the Kreg router table insert plate, a flat, durable phenolic plate that drops seamlessly into your table, securing routers up to 3¼ inches with pre-drilled holes for popular models like Bosch, DeWalt, and Porter cable. Its 9¼ by 11 3¼ size handles big bits without flex, and corner leveling screws ensure a dead flat fit against the table surface. Level up your routing game with this plate's rock-solid stability that turns shaky setups into pro-grade precision. Kreg Precision Router Table Fence. You're knee-deep in building a set of flawless, raised panel doors for your kitchen remodel, but your makeshift fence wobbles, causing inconsistent cuts that force endless sanding and wasted hardwood. The Kreg Precision Router Table Fence changes that with its heavy-duty aluminum construction, spanning 36 inches with HDPE faces for smooth, chip-free passes on stock, up to 2 1/2 inches thick. Micro-adjust dials let you dial in exact positions to 1/64-inch accuracy, while the T-square rail glides without play, and it mounts easily to Kreg tables or most aftermarket setups. This fence delivers the pinpoint control that makes professional-grade doors a reality in your own shop. Kreg router table insert levelers. Envision aligning your router insert plate perfectly, flush with the table during a high-stakes tabletop build, only for tiny height mismatches to snag your workpiece and mar the surface with ugly ridges. Kreg router table insert. Levelers solve this with 4 precision machined steel screws that thread into the plate's corners, featuring knurled heads for tool-free adjustments from below the table. Each turn raises or lowers by fine increments, locking tight to maintain a dead-level fit under heavy rooting loads. Secure that flawless flush every time and eliminate rework with these levelers' simple bomb-proof design. Milescraft 1222 TurnLock sign. Making jig, you're firing up a custom sign project for your business storefront, tracing letters freehand on plywood, but the curves come out wobbly, turning hours of effort into a reject pile. The Milescraft 1222 TurnLock sign making. Jig flips the script with its adjustable TurnLock arms that pivot smoothly around a central router pivot pin, creating perfect circles and arcs up to 12 inches in diameter. It clamps securely to your workpiece with quick-release levers, includes 16 lettering templates for fonts like block and script, and works with any trim rotor for clean, repeatable cuts. Craft signs that demand attention with this jig's effortless precision for pro-level lettering every time. Milescraft 1222 TurnLock sign making. Jig, you're crafting a personalized wooden sign for your backyard deck party, sketching curves by hand, but every imperfect arc leads to splintered edges and restarts that kill your momentum. The Milescraft 1222 TurnLock sign. Making jig transforms this with pivoting TurnLock arms that lock at any angle for arcs from 1 to 12 inches, paired with a central pivot pin for flawless router guidance. It includes 16 durable templates for letters, numbers, and shapes in popular fonts, clamps instantly to material up to 1/12 inches thick, and fits most routers with a 1/4-inch guide bushing. Elevate your signage from rough sketches to showroom ready with this jig's quick, template-driven perfection. Milescraft 1407 Dovetail Template Jig. Halfway through assembling an heirloom drawer for your antique-style dresser, your hand-cut dovetails gap and wobble, compromising the joint strength and your project's heirloom status. The Milescraft 1407 Dovetail Template Jig delivers machine-perfect results with its sturdy aluminum body and adjustable templates for 1/2-inch dovetails on stock from 1/2 to 1/14 inches thick, It secures workpieces with clamps, uses standard 1/4-inch guide bushings for any router, and includes setup gauges for foolproof alignment, producing 4 matching joints per setup. Build drawers that last generations with this Jigs reliable, repeatable dovetail mastery. Milescraft 11312 DrillBlock, your router edge guide combo. Tackling a row of precise edge profiles on shelving boards for your garage organization upgrade, but without guidance, your router veers off, creating uneven grooves that ruin the fit. The Milescraft 11312 DrillBlock Router Edge Guide Combo bridges both worlds with its versatile acrylic guide that attaches to round or plunge routers via a 1/4-inch guide bushing, offering parallel cuts from 1/8 to 3/112 inches deep. It doubles as a drill guide block for 90-degree holes, stores bits in onboard slots, and clamps easily for straight, repeatable edges on straight or curved stock. Master straight edges and holes in one go with this combo's dual-purpose efficiency that saves time and frustration. Bosch RA-254 Deluxe Router Edge Guide. You're routing a perfect groove along a 10-foot baseboard for your living room trim install, but freehand passes wander, leaving wavy lines that demand replacement material. The Bosch RA-254 Deluxe Router Edge Guide locks this down with its extruded aluminum body and dual locking arms that adjust from flush to 4/5/8 inches wide, vacuum ports for dust control, and fine adjust knobs for offsets as small as 1.16 inch. It mounts universally to Bosch routers or others with adapters, includes trimmer shims for zero play alignment, and handles curves with ease. Achieve straight, professional edges on any trim job with this guide's robust, adjustable precision. Makita Router Guide Rail Adapter. Lining up long, straight dados on plywood sheets for your flat pack workbench build, your router drifts despite careful marking, resulting in misaligned joints and disassembly headaches. The Makita Router Guide Rail Adapter integrates seamlessly with Makita's guide rail system, clamping your router base to the rail for dead straight cuts up to 6,500 millimeters long. It features quick release levers for fast setup, height adjustable stops, and compatibility with Makita plunge routers like the RP-15300 series, ensuring splinter-free edges on both faces of the material. Harness guides rail accuracy for your router and produces workbench joints that assemble flawlessly on the first try. POWERTEC Router Table Dust Collection and Fence Kit. Dust clouds your shop air while jointing edges on oak panels for a dining table, coating everything in fine particles and dulling your bits mid-project. The POWERTEC Router Table Dust Collection and Fence Kit tackles this with a 24-inch aluminum fence featuring 2-piece HDPE faces for clean cuts, adjustable to 2-3-4 inches high, and integrated 2-1-2-inch dust ports that connect directly to your shop vac. It includes flip stop and featherboard for zero clearance support, mounts to tables up to 1-1-2 inches thick, and captures over 90% of chips at the source. Keep your shop clean and cuts crisp with this kit's effective dust management that boosts safety and bit life. Freud 1-2 Shank Flush Trim Bit with Top Bearing. Trimming laminated edges on a countertop template for your kitchen island extension. Your bit dips unevenly, chipping the delicate surface and forcing a full redo. The Freud 1-2-inch Shank Flush Trim Bit with Top Bearing glides flawlessly with its carbide-tipped 1-1-2-inch diameter blade and 1-2-inch cut length, where the top-mounted bearing follows the template for perfect replication on straight or curved profiles. Freud's Tyco micrograin carbide stays sharp through heavy use on laminates, hardwoods, and plastics, with a 1-2-inch shank for rigid, high-speed routing. Replicate any template with mirror image precision using this bit's reliable bearing-guided flush trimming. Freud 1-2 Shank Pattern Bit with bottom bearing. Crafting matching inlays for a jewelry box lid, your router bit chatters against the pattern, burning the wood and creating gaps that ruin the seamless fit. The Freud 1-2-inch Shank Pattern bit with bottom bearing ensures smooth replication with its 1-1-4-inch diameter carbide cutter and 5/8-inch cut depth, where the bottom bearing rides the template for exact duplicates on intricate shapes. Its Tyco high-density carbide handles fine detail passes on exotic woods without tear out, and the 1/2-inch shank minimizes vibration in larger routers. Duplicate complex patterns effortlessly with this bit's stable bottom-bearing control for flawless inlays. Freud Chamfer Router Bit Set, beveling table edges for a modern coffee table. Inconsistent angles leave sharp corners that catch skin and clothes, detracting from the sleek design. The Freud Chamfer Router Bit Set offers 3 1/2-inch shank bits with 15 degrees, 22.5 degree, and 30 degrees chamfer angles, each with 1 1/3/8 to 1 11/16-inch diameters and 1 2-inch cut depths, tipped in durable Tyco carbide for clean, crisp bevels on hardwoods and softwoods alike. They produce smooth finishes without burning, ideal for table legs, shelf fronts, or drawer pulls. Add professional bevels that enhance safety and style with this set's versatile chamfer angles. Yonico tongue and groove router bit set 1/2 shank, joining wide pine boards for rustic wall paneling in your cabin renovation. Butt joints gap and warp over time, weakening the entire structure. The Yonico tongue and groove router bit set for 1 2-inch shank creates interlocking joints with its matched pair. A 1 1/2-inch diameter tongue bit and 1 7/8-inch groove bit, both with 1 2-inch cut heights and C3 carbide flutes for chip-free cuts on 5/8 to 3 4-inch stock. It handles softwoods to hardwoods, producing centered, glue-ready joints up to 1 2-inch long. Lock panels together permanently with this set's strong, precise tongue and groove system. Yonico rail and style cabinet door bit set, building shaker-style cabinet doors for your pantry refresh. Uneven stiles and rails leave sloppy mitered corners that gap when stained. The Yonico rail and style cabinet door bit set, with 1 2-inch shanks, crafts perfect profiles using its matched rail and style bits. 1 5/8-inch diameter rail with 1 1/4-inch cut length and 1 1/2-inch style for classic OG or square profiles on 5/8 to 1 1/4-inch stock. C3 micrograin carbide ensures clean entry and exit cuts without tear out on oak or maple, with bearings for template-free setup. Assemble cabinet doors that fit like factory-built using this set's matched rail and style precision. Cove and roundover router bit set, 1/4 shank 4PC, softening sharp corners on a kid's toy chest you're building. Straight edges risk splinters while oversanding alters dimensions. The Cove and roundover router bit set, 1/4 shank 4-piece, provides 4 radii, 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch, with matching cove and roundover profiles, each 1-inch to 1 1/4-inch diameter, and carbide tip for smooth passes on softwoods like pine or hardwoods like cherry. Bearings guide the cut flush or decorative, perfect for edges, frames, or moldings without chatter. Give your projects safe, elegant rounded edges with this set's versatile cove and roundover options. Flush trim spiral compression bit, 1 1/4 shank, laminating veneer to a guitar body template. Straight flute bits tear fibers upward, lifting delicate layers and ruining the bond. The flush trim spiral compression bit with 1 4-inch shank cuts cleanly with its down-cut top and up-cut bottom spiral flutes in 1 2-inch or 3 or 4-inch diameters, compressing material inward for tear-out-free flush, trimming up to 1 4-inch long. Solid carbide construction handles composites, laminates, and plywood at high speeds with a bearing for following patterns precisely. Achieve bubble-free laminate jobs with this bit's compression spiral that shears fibers perfectly in both directions. Keyhole Router Bit, hanging heavy framed artwork or cabinets flush to the wall, standard screws poke out, damaging surfaces and failing under weight. The Keyhole Router Bit routes slim slots with its 1 4-inch shank, 1 2-inch diameter straight cutter, widening to a 5/16-inch neck at the base, creating 1 4-inch deep keyhole recesses that grip screw heads securely on 3 to 4-inch stock. Carbide tip for clean passes on hardwoods or MDF. It leaves a smooth entry for hidden, load-bearing hangs up to 50 pounds per slot. Mount your creations securely and invisibly with this bit's clever keyhole design that hides hardware completely. Dado Clean-Out Router Bit. After cutting dados for shelf supports in your bookcase, bottom ridges from wide bits, trap glue and prevent snug fits, leading to wobbly assemblies. The Dado Cleanout Router Bit with 1 4-inch shank features a 112-inch diameter flat bottom cutter and side spurs that square Dado walls precisely up to 1 2-inch deep on plywood or hardwood. Its carbide insert cleans the floor flat in one pass, matching table saw dados perfectly without cleanup sanding. Square your dados flawlessly for rock-solid shelves using this bit's dedicated cleanout precision. Surfacing Spoilboard Bit for slab flattening. You finally scored a beautiful twisted hardwood slab for your dream coffee table, but your planer is too small and a sander would take days. A surfacing Spoilboard Bit in your router turns that problem into a smooth, flat surface by sweeping wide passes across a sled or router table, shaving high spots until the entire slab is level. With a large cutting diameter, multiple carbide inserts, and a flat bottom profile, it is built to handle end grain, epoxy, and gnarly hardwood without leaving deep ridges or burn marks. Flatten slabs like a pro and unlock furniture-grade surfaces with this bit's powerful, time-saving cut. If this video helped you discover even one tool you did not know you needed, hit like, drop a comment with your favorite pick or a tool we should feature next, and subscribe to TechVerse for more hand-picked Amazon finds that actually make your work faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable. Turn on notifications so you never miss the next lineup of serious gear for serious builders.